Continuous coverage on the swearing in of Arvind Kejriwal. That'll happen in just about an hour and a half from now. Let's now listen into one of the vocal people of the Aam Aadmi Party, Rahul Mehra, before the coronation ceremony and what he had to say, whether he's just as excited as everyone else in his party or a little nervous as well.
From the Aam Aadmi Party, Rahul, quite excited. The crowds are already filling in. Thousands of people waiting outside. We also saw lots of trucks laden with jhadus.
Well, that's the magic of Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. It's the people's power. It's the people's chief minister. He's the one who engages. I mean, imagine a chief minister taking a metro, coming for swearing-in ceremony to Ram Leela. I mean, this is historic stuff. We've only probably not even imagined in the wildest of dreams that something like this could happen in our own city, in the capital of India. Truly a magnificent moment, something to cherish and something to talk about for the rest of your life.
What are we expecting on stage, Rahul? Are there going to be some people are going to be singing? Because already there's a carnival-like atmosphere here.
Well, I think everybody's singing from within. So there's a musician in every person right now. But I think it's going to be a very simple ceremony. It's going to be official. It's going to be the Honorable LG swearing in Arvind as the Chief Minister and others as the cabinet members. So that is what is going to be on display. But yes, it's a mood. It's a celebratory mood. But very soon, the moment the oath happens, it's going to be Arvind and the team in action. That's what we're waiting for. That's what the city is waiting for. To fulfill those promises that we've made, to be in action.
Many people you invited, like the likes of Kiran Bedi, are not going to come. A little disappointed on that front because she was a part of the same movement last year.
Surely, I mean, we would have loved more and more people. This is Delhi. This is not Aam Aadmi Party taking oath. This is government of Delhi. So every citizen of Delhi, and Kiran Bedi is a prominent citizen of Delhi, surely it would have added to the fervor out here. And but she has her own reasons. She's expressed that she's traveling or some. She had some more other important commitments. So one needs to respect that.
Appreciate you talking to us, Rahul. We hope Delhi shows up. It already is. And we hope what begins today, which you said is already going to happen. Appreciate you joining us. Thank you.